Alam mo ba yung history ng badminton?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Kayo,
Alam niyo ba history ng badminton?
alam niyo ba na nagsimula ang badminton sa tawag na battle draw at shuttlecock? The goal? Keep the feathered shuttle in the air. As long as possible, no net, no score, just fun and laughter.
Alam ko na! Fast forward to dyan. British officers in the city of Yun na ngayon ay Puna. Added the net and some competition, di ba?
Yes, you're right! And in 1873, the game took flight at Badminton House, the Duke of Beaufort Estate, and that's how the sport got its name, Bad! Te, ginagawa mo dyan.
Nagsusukat ako ng court dimension.
Para saan?
Para sa ano? Ikaw na.
So, ilan yung sukat?
It has 44 feet long and 20 feet.
For as I know, it has 5 feet and 1 inch.
Tama! So ano? Tara, laro!
Tara! Pero bago yan, alamin muna natin yung mga rules and regulations.
Sige ba ako na mag-search?
Sige!
Tara!
For a scoring system, a match is best of 3 games. Each game goes of up to 21 points with a maximum of 30. And remember, every rally counts. Whoever wins the rally scores a point.
Serving rules, the serve must go diagonally across the court. Hit the shuttlecock below the waist with the racket. Head pointing down in doubles, each team only gets one serve.
If the shuttle lands or inside the boundary line, it's in. But if it lands outside,
Sa poles naman, its poles in the shuttle doesn't across the net. If the player touches the net, if the shuttle flies or stands, it's out. It's out. Bounce.
net or replay. If a serve touch the net but lands correctly, or if both sides commit a fault at the same time, the point is replayed. That is
Hi, Marga! Marga, turo mo naman ako mag-badminton. Pero yung pala, yung parang palaging sablay yung yung palo ko, alam mo yun?
okay lang yan, Chang. Lahat nagsisimula dyan. May 7 basic skills na dapat matutunan para gumaling. Ready ka na?
Sige, turuan mo ako.
Grip. Dapat sama yung hawak mo sa racket. May forehand, backhand grip. Depende kung saan mga galing yung shuttle.
Kaya pala, minsan nahulog yung shuttle. Siguro mali yung hawak ko.
Malaking bagay yan. Pangalawa, footwork. Dapat mabilis at magaan.
Kaya pala, minsan hirap ako umabol. Hindi pa ako marunong gumalaw ng maayos.
Bilis lang yan. Pangatlo, serve. Dito nagsisimula ang laro. May short serve, may long serve, at flick serve. Depende sa style mo.
Ako matutunan ng flick serve. Ang angas pakinggan eh.
Madali lang yan. Pang-apat at pang-lima, forehand at backhand strokes. Dapat marunong kang tumira sa magkabilang side para hindi ka laging late sa shuttle.
Thunder rumbles distant, dark clouds loom. Steel clashes twice.
Nasanayan yung pareho. Hindi lang yung kanan at kaliwa. Got it!
Tama! Pang-anim, smash! Ito yung malakas na pabangpang tira para makapuntos ka.
Gusto ko yan. Parang finisher sa anime.
Pang-pito, drop shot. Dahan-dahang tira lang malapit sa net para mahirapan yung kalaban mo.
Wow! Surprise mo pala yan!
Kalimutan ang clear o love. Yan yung mataas na tira papunta sa likod ng court. Perfect para makahinga ka muna bago sa next rally.
Hindi pala yan. Pero exciting part yan, ha? So, sa recap tayo. Grip, footwork, serve, forehand, backhand, smash, drop, at clear.
Kaya kapag na-master mo yan, mga techniques na yan, saka mga skills na yan, I'm sure magiging pro ka din.
Salamat, Marga. Bukas mag-e-ensayo na ako.
Chang, come and let's play! Wa! Ha!